Hey friends, it's Min here from On a Stamp Page. I'm super excited to be joining crafty YouTube collaborations today. We're going to be doing a Sun, Sand, and Santa Southern Hemisphere holiday YouTube hop. So basically, we are creating creations, that sounded redundant, sorry, but we are making things that are inspired by our friends that live in the Southern Hemisphere, because sometimes we kind of forget about them. And so, like, lots of stuff is winter themed, but they're in the middle of summer. This blog hop is for you, and we hope that you enjoy all of the different creations that are going to be made today. So I'm going to create a quick and simple layered card. These are the papers I'm going to be using. This is a really old piece of Stampin' Up! Pattern paper that I found because I liked the grayish brown, and then I decided to go with some brown and craft as the layering. Then I also have a bunch of these little pieces that I got from a ephemera kit on clearance last year that have never been used, and so I thought, okay, we need to use those. And then this is what I'm really excited about, this darling stamp set called A Koala Day by Close to My Heart. I am going to be using a koala on my card today in honor of Australia. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is stamp this darling koala on a tree image onto some white paper and color it in with my brand new alcohol markers that I got off of Amazon. So we're kind of testing these out for the first time. It's Ohuhu, I think is how you say it, and I'm really excited to get to try these out. So let's go ahead and stamp our little koala and color him. Is our finished little koala. He is so cute. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this little guy out, and then we are going to start layering our card together. So let's do that. Alright, so this is how the card is looking right now. I think it is absolutely adorable, but I do think it needs a little bit more. So I think I'm going to find some green bling or something to put up in this corner, and then I think we're going to call it good because this is so cute on its own. I'm loving this little koala guy. Too cute. Alright, let's get some green bling. This card turned out so cute. I love these new markers. I'm really glad I got them. The brush tip is really easy to use for shading, and I am so excited that I get to be a part of this fabulous YouTube hop. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to take a peek at all the other friends. They are down below, and the next person is at the top of my description box. If you would like to be entered into a mystery prize for this hop from me, All you need to do is comment below with where you are and what winter holiday you celebrate, or if you don't celebrate. Thanks again so much for stopping by, and until next time, hugs and happy crafting, friends. Bye!